And we can drink tea better than you.
Whoa, there is a connection between you and I. But how come I don't feeling it? Me antenna down.
In the yard, when you go on home, go on in your yard, don't follow them.
Happy Sunday, y'all. I hope you're having a great and blessed Sunday. My friend is back and she wants to do more word translation and you guys love it. So let's go.
It is mine.
For me,
Con artist.
Janelle.
Look at that.
Look there, Kude.
Leave me alone.
Left me now?
Right here.
Yes, so.
Over there.
Over there, so.
Wow, my goodness.
Cheese on peace.
Is there another way to say that?
Yeah, but me now want to say that on a Sunday.
Look at this.
Look on this.
There he is.
See him there?
What is that?
How are that?
Let's go over there.
Come on, make we go over there, so.
Fatty.
Fluffy.
That boy has no money.
That boy broke.
A polygon is a close for girl.
For girl, what the like that talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop lamp with me. What me tell you say?
Jamaican accent challenge. Let's get it. Wagwan! Mother or me mama. Dirty girl or dirty boy. Ya idiot? Eh? Ya idiot? Pitney them or youth. Rotted. Mirrors. Blouse and skirt. Jesus peace. Mighty Father. Father God. Lord of mercy. No, sir. Me not business with that. Bad mind. Or, I saw you wicked. And the last one, yeah, man.
Ways Jamaican men call women.
My size. Baby love. Come here. Psst. Yo, Empress. Slammers. You girl with the thick thighs. Wait for me there. Yeah, you.
Hold on there. Then I will tell me Jamaican them say this a shocking color green. And this a shocking color orange. You ever shock yet? Everybody all over the world can say neon green and neon orange. Jamaica, not a real place. Shocking color green, shocking color orange. Ever shock you?
What's up, Derek? We have a beer in a way, and we know two in the turning top thing. You see me?
All right.
We like flip with top.
Flick your top.
You see me, I say?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man, so far we got a beer in a way, and we have a lighter. You have a puller.
A puller. Okay.
You get me? So
all right. This is the Jamaican way.
You see me?
Yeah.
So you don't know. See there?
All right.
Big man thing.
Uh-huh.
Somebody open it up.
Woo! It works. Let me see. Oh, my words. See, people?
You hear the sound it make?
Yeah, man. Let me take a drink. Thank you.
As a Jamaican, how do you say what's up?
Wagwan.
Now say, I am here.
Medea.
How would you say, where are you going?
So, which part you are go?
This seems fun, so come here.
Come here.
Say, what's wrong?
What wrong with you?
Now say, leave me alone.
You better allow me alone, you know. You hear me, I warn you. Allow me alone.
Tell me I love you.
I love you.
Okay, finally. Say, I will never cheat on you.
Babe, I nah give you no bun. Are you alone? No bun you nah get. God no.
Oh, you know, Chin can't put up a picture and write a caption. Chin dance like a bat. A pure voice note she saying. She can't read the text. She can't write a text. She can't write a text. A pure voice note.
She watch when me clock in, she watch when me clock out. Come like she want to get that information so she can inform to her.
You have to watch out for her.
She need to stop mind my business and mind fear her own business. Every Friday she tell her man say she leave late.
So when on a clock out?
When we leave 5.
Marated. That girl they wicked.
Hold on. Sandra, why you come sit alongside of me now? And you know say me a chat on the phone. Yo, you know say you not a man as you. Yo, hurt me soul. This so silly.
Warning, do not attempt this at work. And if you do, Shantasia is not responsible if someone figures out what you're saying. Thank you.
Well, God. Today we're going to be talking about the Jamaican word ya. Yeah, man. No. Ya in Jamaican, it means here. And ya can be used as it's used in English. For example, come ya means come here. Look ya, look here. Now, here's another way you could use ya. If you are identifying, pointing out, highlighting, or emphasizing a person or object, you can use ya. And here's how you would use it. In Jamaican, we could say, this ya, pen ya, nah work, which literally translates to, this here, pen here, isn't working. Now, here's another example. This ya man ya, a liar. Or, this ya carry a dear bad. Me can't afford it. So, there you have it. Couple of ways in which you would use ya. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay, born.
Born.
Everything.
Everything.
Thick.
Thick.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Remember.
Member.
Understand.
Understand.
Settle.
Sickle.
Authority.
Authority.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Tell me the story.
Pop Terry, give him in a lad.
Bro, you remember my cousin Jerome when I see how far out today? See me? So Jerome, why pre? Boom flick, boom flick. Boom flick, boom flick? Rapper spoon grapple. Bro, that man know English? Oh, yeah. But remember say the deepest part of Clarendon in come from, you know. So feed them part kinda different for food. Oh. And Chinima all fake a bupupa mobe. Bro, that even sound half water, man. Not even my ancestors could have picked up that. Bro, the man basically say you sound like a mobe you come from. Oh, you don't understand that? How me sound like I come from mobe? What am I saying? Shut up. No, just shut up now. Because you don't make sense. It's just so stupid right now, brother. Oh, why you disrespect the man and all the man asks if you're good mentally and physically, dog? Like, what that for? So, my bad, bro. My bad. You know what? It's fine. And I don't think I'm welcomed here, so I'm just going to leave, okay? So, once again, thank you, good sir. Take care. Yo, come here!
We also touched on how we use the word fi to replace for, to, and should, and how sometimes it's pronounced fa when it ends a sentence. Also, how we say mine, yours, theirs, and ours is simply by adding fi before me, you, uno, them, and we. So in context, fi me would be mine, fi yo would be yours, fi uno would be yours, plural, for them would be theirs, and for we would be ours.
Advanced level. Read out loud.
Greetings to all of the passengers them. This is the final time I call you for flight 123 for go to London. Because here we are locked gate 5 in the next 2 seconds. Yeah? So after we shut the doors them, all of the remaining passengers them, you go get salt. Because anyhow this a gate delay, you know. Me and your mama go have something. So once again, me I tell you, say last call for the flight 123 for go to London. Please and thanks, and may you have a wonderful journey. Thank you for flying with Air Jamaica.
We were sending panty them feel. The panty them and she send it.
I then buy them.
Yeah, she dip on the phone.
But then I can't fit me. I can't, but then I little bit. Let me out. And the draw them to big. Big draws. Right. And when you're here condition. When you're
she attack you.
Attack, they don't tell us something, Dave. They can't hear. He is not here.
We say you want bigger jars.
How big draws me want?
You want bigger one?
Yeah, bigger one than the 2 liquor. All right. You're going to give me bigger one?
Yes, I'm going to send bigger one for you.
Them the 2 liquor. All right. I hear that.
Yeah.
Make sure the
She
draws.
say the shoes comfortable.
When?
The shoes, if it comfortable. If the shoes comfortable.
The shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. It's all right. Yes, bigger draws. All right, many thanks.
Only Jamaicans will understand this conversation.
I'm gonna go on our page. I see mama have man, I say, wow. What a world. Like, how could you?
One phrase we use a lot in Jamaican when we talk, that we convert to a single word, are the phrase, you know, which we converted to inna. Now, you see various different spelling of this word, but for all intents and purposes, me gonna write it this way, inna. Important to note that we don't use it for start a sentence, but once we start for converse, we use it during and even for end with speech. So whenever you hear it, that's what it means. For example, I don't know what time the food are ready, you know. I just start cook, which is, I don't know what time the food is going to be ready, you know. I just started cooking. A 2 time I go over there now, I may never see him. Which is, it's 2 times I went over there, you know, and I didn't see him. I don't like this, you know. I don't like this at all. Which is, I don't like this, you know. I don't like this at all.
Yo, Brittany, may I link you, no, cause me I want to get the $50,000, you see me? Yeah, man, so me know how I go on when you forward on the ends on them thing there, see, pray.
Yo, me killer. And Brittany listen to dog. I come like Brittany style, your bad man. Dog. 50 grand. You cat to slap off for you, not even time, my bad man. Sick lord, you. Brittany style, dog. And Brittany is my lord. That's it.
Everybody want to be Jamaican and chat some patois out of them out. We talk English, we chat patois. Anything come to mind, and that we let out. This is English versus patois. You can tell that this is a fun. You might can't find an English dictionary, but patois, you can't find none. In a English, I have some words. And in a patois, them really change. We can't bother with the pronunciation. So what we do? We rearrange. For example, the word certificate and film is another word. We say film and surfy ticket, and any other word is just absurd. When an English person describes somebody, they might say you look slim or you look thin. But in a patois, we look you from head to toe and say you're mag and a neck string. You have bad, worse, and worst. I saw the English thing go, sir. But in a patois, we say bad or worse. And when it's really bad, we say wosara. English will say, that's mine. And in a patois, we say that a me. In a English, them say, give that to me. We sum it up and just say, gimme. Jamaicans are very descriptive. Words look like how them sound. Like if me say me meet a mampy, you know so that one they big and round. English says, get away from me. In a patois, we say, go. English say, are you guys together? In a patois, we say, unu there? The Jamaican dialect is so amusing. Some words so funny, I could cry. But me I could give you no homework. Tell me how Jamaicans say goodbye.
Yeah, man, speak to your nephew, him here.
You right, uncle?
You don't know all them things there. I don't want to talk about that. All right, stop about that. I've been saying, wah! But just tell him, wah!
That's what you told him.
You know, the blood there.
The weather good though.
Well, them, nah, so the blood clot. The some.
Everybody a ball. Everybody a ball. Outer road rough. Recession a kill we off. You understand me? Money na their road. You understand me? So, big up the woman them right now. You know, say if I look a man, I get a look at 2, I look at 3 bills. I look at 4 bills when they're ready. Appreciate it. And big up look at what this man when I really like work. You know, say if I look at low self-esteem woman out there, I get a look at pocket money, I buy a look at sneakers, I buy a look at jeans, look at now and then. Appreciate it. Outer road rough.
No matter what they say, words can bring me.
Learn Jamaican patois with me. How are you? You good?
Back a dog, front a dog, and miss a dog. People will speak badly about you behind your back, and the same people will speak highly of you when they are in your presence. Back a dog, front a dog, and miss a dog.
Hello. No, I'm not going to say that Jamaicans speak very, very badly, but I'm going to say that because of patois, sometimes we do speak badly, alright? So we tend to use carry and bring interchangeably, alright? Meaning, sometimes we use carry for mean bring and bring for mean carry. So when I lived where I did, I realized that a lot of things that we say is actually the incorrect way of saying it. One other such thing is back and front. Something can be back and front at the same time. The correct thing is back to front, meaning the back is to the front and the front is to the back. It can be back and front at the same time. But I guess those are some of the things that make us unique. The carry go and the bring come. That one for sure is one we're not supposed to use interchangeably. Here's why. To carry means to take from to. So I'm taking the slippers from the house to the car. Bring is to take from one place to the next. So the correct thing would be to say, I carried the slippers from the house to the car. But if you're at the car, you bring the slippers to the house. So it's not supposed to be used interchangeably. So when I was there, I did have to learn, because when we use them wrong, like they wanna watch me and I say like, well, she has saying them me catch myself, alright? So what I used to remind me when I'm talking is this song where we have as Jamaicans, carry go, bring go, my friend, bring misery. That's how I remember, because it said carry go. So when you carry, you're taking from here to there, and when you bring, you're taking to you. So I just thought I would put that out there. So carry and bring should not be used interchangeably. Carry is to take from here to there, and bring is to take from there to here. Jamaicans, we're so unique, and there are other things, but I don't remember right now. But I remember clearly the back to front. I remember clearly the cargo bring home. So I remember another one, which is curse and quarrel. So I remember we were in a class and Miss said to us, what are some ground rules that we need to set? So mine was no cursing in class. So Miss watch me a kind of way, me feel she watch me a kind of out of time in way. And I say, why Miss said, you know, she not say nothing, but like she say, but why would you want to curse in class? So it was not long after I realized that quarrel and curse are two different things. Curse is when you use indecent language. The F and the BBC and that is cursing. Quarrel is like having an argument. So what I really meant was in class for us not to have quarrels and not to have arguments. But because I am from Jamaica where we use quarrel and curse interchangeably, we never realized that outside of Jamaica, curse means feels bad word. So that was a learning experience for me. So, and that's why I would love for everybody to at least get an opportunity to travel, because when you do, you kind of see the world through different lenses. You learn so much about how badly we use words or how well we use words. Can I remember anything else at this time? No. But yeah, quarrel or just quarrel. Curse is now when you're using bad word and the expletives and such delights. Okay? Yay. Which reminds me of one song when we make a few years ago. Everybody say we chat bad. Barbados, St. Lucia and Trinidad. But hear what? That's a part of our culture. So listen up to this Sunday brata. We are melting pot country. Chinese, Japanese, African, Indian. That's why we matter say out of many we are one. So we not gonna get the not gonna no more. Not gonna no more. That's what's up. I love GA.
Hello, my lovelies, on doing today? Anyway, today we're gonna make pizza and chat people business. So for the pizza, I need half cup of milk, half cup of lukewarm water, 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, and the yeast we made after the one we're going to food, alright? And then you go add 2.5 cup of flour, and you go mix up this here, rub it up, roll it up nice and round, and then you go up turn them a little dough bad. Yes, it go kind of sticky, but no about the stickiness. Just sprinkle a little flour and roll them up nice. Then you put them back in a pan, rub them up with a little oil, and make it down there rest for about 1 to 2 hours. If hungry I kill you, you can do 1 hour, but if hungry not kill you, make it tender for 2 hours. Now we don't work on the chicken. Anyway, they only put whatever on the water on the chicken. All our ancestors left with some notes. So anything the ancestors tell you if you put that, at that will if you put in it. So you just put on that, season up that and make you rest for about 130 minutes, then look cook him, alright? Anyway, Mr. Shrimpy, now you have my pizza today, because I go call Shrimpy and to a Shrimpy, so I feed the pizza and make him send the money comes and make him buy pizza. Anyway, all of that now, so time for work on the door. Look, thump him, yes, thump him in belly. Yes, I know, no go roll him like on a roll the body, alright? Yes, so just go and roll him up, nice him out and just spread him out on the tray like how you spread out in a bed. Yes, just put on all the cheese on the toppings and everything and just put him back to the oven and make him bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Yes, pizza done. Yes, look what pizza look nice. Yes, and this one and I get none. Yes, me need to call my daughter and show her this. Can me just remember one time with my little daughter, when me never know one sit me a stiff breast. So when the little girl away little pitney, you know, one day she called me and said, Mommy, me want stiff breast. Cause me poor I couldn't afford enough, but me could afford the stiff breast and feed her. After me did that one day, little girl start bad fever, me say she want stiff breast. Me say, Shanty, me no stiff breast. So me say to her, say, contact them 2 stiff breasts upon my chest. Me daughter look at me and say, me no want them stiff breasts, cause I know ice no in them. I want them me daughter remember there's something, no me remind the little girl, eh? But me don't even remember there's someone your stiff breasts. But right now, me that stuck one of them right now, because they look something very nice, you know, man. But just mention Lily, I'm poor. Me couldn't afford much, you know. But guess what, me thank God for me rich right now, because boy, I far me I come from, you know. So right now, no bother to even for good when they see me live me wonderful life, you know. Anyway, I no go out to enjoy pizza, cause I now get none big and trip and shrimpy. Bye.
I don't do that though.
Where do you work?
I'm a JPS.
You're a what's the
JPS. That's like electrician, but it's not electrician. It's a more than bigger than electrician.
So what does JP stand for?
JPS stand for like when your light gone, like the old system gone, we fix it back. We fix it back.
So is that like a part-time job or that's a full-time job?
No, that is complicated. Like that bigger than electrician. It is like I'm gonna tell you. Alright, if you don't got current, you cannot charge your phone. You cannot watch TV. Your fridge cannot on.
Okay, but what does JPS stand for though?
JPS stand for it is a big company because if you don't got you don't have no one of any current.
Oh, so it's not an abbreviation, it's just like JPS. It's not an abbreviation.
It's JPS. I don't know what is it in your country, but it's JPS in Jamaica.
Morning, good morning from beautiful Blue Lagoon. Oh, me so blessed this morning. Me going in the water. See them have a ladder, yeah? Yeah, so. And if you look out there, look, you can see the sea them and oh, what a beautiful spot. Just wish everybody a blessed, beautiful day from Portland, Jamaica, Blue Lagoon. Respect.
I wonder what do me. Make me so sad. I'm not shit in a church. Me not shit in no church. Me don't shit in no church. Me not supposed to sad so. Me not supposed to sad so.